guys, me again. Right, today I just want to catch up with you. It's my second video, getting into the swing of this. Today I want to talk to you about video. First of all, if any of you are wondering what I use to shoot these videos, let me show you. I use this. This is the Sony MHS PM1, or otherwise known as the Sony Webby. Fantastic little camera, shoots 1080p high def, really lightweight, fits in your pocket. It's actually smaller than my mobile phone. Really cheap as well. Picked this one up in the Sony store for 125 quid. Price wise, it's really comparable with any other pocket high def camera. The best thing about the Webby is you can swivel the head on it. So you can lay it flat on your radio control plane on top of your wing and point the lens forward. You can velcro it to the side. And for a pucker camera for radio control flying, the Sony Webby is the bee's knees. It's absolutely fantastic. Just look up the videos of this thing on YouTube and you'll see the quality it puts out is fantastic. Anyway, that's enough of that one. Today I'm going to show you a new camera that I'm going to be using to video my flying. Not having anybody to stand behind me with a camcorder, bit of a pain in the arse. So I looked on YouTube to see what I could find, what other people are doing, and I came across this. This is the VIO POV 1.5. It's basically a bullet camera with a high definition 720p resolution, a DVR recording unit built into it on a separate cable. So you just basically fit the camera anyhow you like to any headwear or the dashboard of your car, handlebars of your bike or your skateboard or whatever. Put 4 AA batteries in it, stick it on record, and away you go. Anywhere from 6 to 10 hours with this thing. Right, so here we go. Ooh, quite a nice sturdy looking case that comes with it. Well, this is nice. Here we've got your main, there's your main DVR recording unit. That's what runs the whole show. It looks like a real heavyweight, chunky brick, but it's actually not. Well, here's a pack of 4 AA batteries that go inside it. So this thing is about the length of 10 batteries. It's not very big at all. It's very, very lightweight. You've got a screen that will show you the output of your camera, a bunch of buttons that have got no labels on them at all, play, record and pause. And that's pretty much all you need. At the top there, you've got the input where your bullet camera screws into. That stays in there all the time. Underneath, you've got the bit where your memory card, a USB cable and your video out goes. It looks really sturdy too. I see they've put it together with hex screws around the edges, so you can't tamper and mess around with it, unless you've got a hex screwdriver like me. Little remote control unit, so you can stick that in your pocket or stick it on the back of your hand. There's a strap so you can do that with it. So you can literally start and stop the recording or tag something that you've recorded there. There's a guy on YouTube called Sven Garley. He did a review of this on his motorbike, and based on his review I bought this one. What else is in the box? Bloody hell. There's cables and all sorts in here. Look at this stuff. A plastic mount so you can super glue this thing to your head, or strap it to your chin or whatever. It's basically a helmet mount, so you can velcro, there's a bit of velcro in here, so you can, you've got one mount there, bit of double-sided foam there, bit of velcro there, and another thing there, so you can mount or bolt the whole thing to a helmet if you wanted to. They've given me a 4 gig SD card. So I haven't got to worry about what type of card it takes and going and getting one, because the 4 gig card is already in the pack. Damn, there's a lot of cables in it. Bloody BBC production. We've got the camera. Right, there's the camera unit itself. Tiny little bullet camera. It's got quite a sturdy rubber. Bloody hell. Jesus, okay. Alright, put that on, fine, but taking it off, you might need an extra pair of hands. There's your camera unit. It really is tiny. This thing is so small. This is a 110 degree wide angle lens. There's nothing really to say about this except for the fact that you've got a little white mark on top. Don't know if you can see that. That little mark there tells you that that's the top of the camera and it's facing upwards. And then on the end of that you've got 1.5 meters of cable that plugs into your digital video recording unit. So that's that cable. I've got to find a way to attach this to my baseball cap yet. Standard USB lead. It's not much different to most mobile phone leads. Those are the connectors that are on it. Same sort of lead you get with the BlackBerry and a lot of MP3 devices, not the iPhone. What else we got? VGA cable, standard yellow and white with a 3.5mm jack on the end of that. Not finished yet, don't worry, more goodies in here. Okay, that's a handlebar mount. See that? Stick your handlebars in there, camera in there, wrap Velcro around the whole thing and you're good to go. There's more stuff in here. What am I supposed to do with this? That's some sort of strap with a clip on it. It's got a gator clip on one end and a snap fastener on the other, so that's obviously for holding your cable in place somewhere, like if you want to clip your microphone to your collar. What else have we got? We've got 3 lengths of what looks like double-sided Velcro, 3 cable ties, and the odd thing is there's a pack of 6 magnets in here. God knows what they're for, but we shall soon see. I'll get it all out, get the instructions out, have a little read and a play. I'm sure we'll figure out what they're for later, but I'll be sure to let you know.